Our client, who is a leader in payment solution, chose Reno-Assistance because of the complexity of the project. They moved into a space that was not the original location, and this space needed major decontamination. Everything had to be done in 3 months from the beginning of the project, starting with the plans, the architects, the decontamination, and building the place. The major challenges in this project was the decontamination for one, the fast track, the short amount of time that we had, and the complex design. The plans were drawn in 2 weeks, and the whole project was realized in 3 months. And even for myself as an advisor, I've never seen that. That's very fast. We were able to stay ahead. There was so many things to consider, and we delivered on time and on budget. What permits us to do this job, for one, is the intensive training that we get, meeting with the designers, meeting with the architects, understanding the plans, understanding the client, and the support of the team behind us that permits us to do these complex projects. As a commercial client, being in business, you have no time. So this is the major added value, is that we will take the time to take care of your project from the beginning till the end in supporting your needs, and at the same time finding the contractor that will take care of everything so you could take care of your own business. I love what I do. It's challenging every day. There's no routine. Every project is taken seriously and at heart as if it was my own. Love to work with the people, love to work with the contractors. It's a great job.